To remove these speakers, first remove the cable cover, the stand, the rear cover, the fan assembly, the cable pocket, and the rear I/O bracket. Detach the speakers connector to the motherboard. Detach the two Torx 15 screws securing each of the speakers to the PC. Pull one speaker off of its standoffs and free the speaker's interconnector from the cable guides at the bottom of the base pan. Before removing the second speaker from its standoffs. To replace the speakers, align the first speaker over its screw standoffs on the base pan. Tuck the speaker's interconnector behind its cable guides on the bottom of the PC. Place the second speaker into place on its standoffs. Secure the two speakers with their two Torx 15 screws. Reconnect the speaker's connector to the motherboard.